Hi everyone, I'm Yoshi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and I would like to welcome you back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. This week, we are going to discuss the many ways you can be more efficient on your Odoo database. Work smarter, not harder is a phrase I am sure we have all heard before. Regardless of your job or industry, there aren't always enough hours in the day to get everything done. Odoo allows you to be more productive by creating an all-in-one solution, but also incorporating time-saving features into the software. Let's take a closer look at how Odoo will allow you to work smarter and be more efficient with your time. The first time-saving feature we are going to look at is found right on the Odoo instance homepage. Did you know that you can directly type into your homepage and find many items you may be searching for? Let's hop on and show you what I mean. Here we are on my Odoo home screen, and what I want to look for is find my latest invoices. I simply type invoices and I can easily locate them. The same goes for a lot of other items. I may be looking for current customers or even product variants. Being able to quickly find business critical items will help you reduce the time it takes to find what you are actually searching for. Now, since we are on my database already, let's look at another time-saving feature. Having keyboard shortcuts while navigating across my database allows me to be even more efficient with my time. Let's go to one of my invoices and see how fast I can edit an existing invoice. Let's edit this invoice and pay it by using the shortcut keys. Wow, see how fast that was? Lastly, a feature that many people are not familiar with is the field calculator. If we go to a sales quote, we can make calculations right from any numerical field without having to leave my page or pull out a calculator. Now, this is not limited to sales, but can be done across all similar fields. This feature truly saves you time. All in all, Odoo was created with efficiency in mind, and that's why we have so many time-saving features integrated across the platform. Next time, we are going to examine even more of these features to allow you to navigate Odoo quickly and efficiently. If you would like to reduce the time it takes to complete your administrative tasks, and you would like to learn more about an all-in-one solution like Odoo, please get in touch with us directly or with one of our business analysts for more information. As always, thanks again for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and Odoo it all!